Guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing fine. And my name is Mohammad Badruddin, and today I come up with another Lab11 from Access Control module of server-side topics, as I am covering a series of Web Security Academy from Portsmouth here. And as always, the warning for you guys: this video and its content are only for educational purpose. I do not support any unethical or illegal act. Why I show this warning again and again in all the videos? Because maybe after watching my video you get excited and go and scan and uh, pen test on some websites or web application. For that you are not authorized to do, so you will be in trouble. You may be in the trouble, and I'm not a part of that in that time. Okay, so as well as the lab is concerned for today is insecure direct object references. So what is insecure direct object references? Before jump into the lab, I just want to show you something and will tell you what is insecure direct object reference and what all about this vulnerability. So insecure direct object reference vulnerability occur when an application provides direct access to the object based on the user supplied input. Okay, so in that way, uh, as a result of this vulnerability, attacker can bypass the authorization and access the resources for which he is not authorized. Okay, before in many labs we see that HTTPS and the URL of the web application, then there is one parameter that is username is equal to winner, and we change it into the Carlos and we solve our lab, and we uh, access the resources for which we are not authorized. So uh, this picture is showing a good example for insecure direct object reference vulnerability and how hacker can exploit that vulnerability. So the first process, the first request sent by the hacker. So first of all, he needs to know that this vulnerability exists in that web application. So hacker identifies web application using direct object reference and request verified information. Fine. The second, that response comes from the server to the hacker, that valid HTTP request is executed and direct object reference entity is revealed. Fine. So suppose that ID is equal to 1234, but the hacker will change it to something 1234567 or whatever, and then he sent that request again to the server. Direct object reference entity is manipulated and HTTP request is performed again from the hacker side, right? Then it goes to the server. It may be database server or application server, and the HTTP request is performed without user verification, because the application is not verifying whether this user is authorized for this resource to access that resource or not. Okay, so hacker get the access to the sensitive information, right? I hope you understand. So let's jump into the lab. I already open up my burp suite and I turn off the intercept. So uh, okay, this is the lab. So the agenda of this lab is, this lab stores user chat logs directly on the server's file system and retrieve them using static URL. Solve the lab by finding the password of the user Carlos and logging into their account. Fine. So whatever we chat, after the chat is finished, it goes to the server and saved inside the file system of the server, and then we can retrieve that information, that file of the chat receipt, by accessing the static URL, and in that there is somewhere Carlos have the password. Okay, so we directly go to the live chat, and this is automated. I can say hello. Before this, let's start the burp suite, and I want to intercept. So send this. Okay, just refresh again. Okay, this is the chat. I forwarded academy. Okay, again forward again, and ready. And this is the JSON format. User is me and my content was hello, whatever I sent before. And this is the user, another user from the server side, and it's asking this question. Then forward again and connected, now chatting with this. So I come here, put whatever I want, but one thing you can see that whatever the message I am sending from here is not captured by Suite, right? So not captured by Suite. So there is something we need to figure it out. And turn off the Suite proxy, go to the page source, and in the page source there are these two JavaScripts are interesting, so I want to see what's in these. So first of all is resources JS chat.js. So let's access this in new tab, and this is the function. So here they define how the chat will work. So you remember when we captured the request, we find this ready. Okay, so chat form, then the message box, and this action ready. Then we find this string. Okay, and the message we were getting in the JSON format I mentioned before. So there are two parameters. One is user and the another one is content, and we found uh, in this format, right? Then the chat is disconnected. Okay, write message, and this is the HTML tags. These are the HTML tags: user and content, chat area. Okay, JSON dot stringify object. So it converts the data into the JSON format and then encoded, and okay, fine. So this is the first one, and the second one is view transcript. So in a new tab. Okay, so if you see here, there is one button, view transcript. So when we press this button, so this script will execute and it will download the transcript for our chat, right? Okay, so button is download transcript, class is button, id is equal to this. Okay, view transcript, and chat area message, fine. And here increasing the length, this is the HTML tag, and it will send a post request to the file path, system file path, from where we download the transcript. Okay, join and send data, fine. So now what we can see, let's open up the Burp Suite, and okay, fine, this is good. So view transcript, let's see what we get here. Okay, so the name is transcript. Here if you see, the name is transcript. Okay, and this is gonna be the post request. This is gonna be the post request, and the path will be download transcript path, and that path is download hyphen transcripts. Okay, and here whatever we have in the chat, in the string form, in the text form, it's showing here, and when we forward this, it will save our file in the text form, and in that file it put all this data and save into the system folder or anywhere in the system file system. Okay, so 2.txt. Maybe next time when we see the transcript, it will save all the data in the text form in a file, and the file name will be 3.txt. So forward this and get download 2.txt, and here we show you need to save the file or open. So I want to open it. Okay, and 2.txt, this one, where is it? This this, yeah, this one. Fine. So what we need to do next, okay, let's go back to the live chat. Forward, 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 ready. This ready is come because this time it's executing this script and it's showing the ready. Then it will show us user u. I'm saying hello. This is all, this chat is automated, right? So forward, 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 and we come up to here, and let's say I am saying hello and send. So my message is hello, okay, in the JSON format. Then my user is me, and my content was hello, right? Send. Now the other guy from the server side is typing, and he's sending this message. Okay, forward this. So you can say this again, hello, and send this. But now the chat has ended. So this all this is automated. Fine. Now again I want to view transcript. Okay, so this is our chat, and it will going to save this as a file, as a text file, and post. And you can see now this time it's 3.txt. So this is insecure direct object, forward, and now it's asking to download this. So when you make download, it comes. So let's open this one again. So 3.txt, this is our chat. Fine. So 2.txt, 3.txt, and next one 4, 5, 6, 7. But there is no 1.txt, right? So let's see what is what is in 1.txt. So again, go to the live chat and forward, forward, forward. Actually, I'm not going to intercept. Go to the HTTP history, and this is the last one after which we get downloaded. So send it to the repeater, go to the repeater, and this time change this file from 3.txt to 1.txt and send it. So okay, we got this file, and this is the content inside that file. Okay, so connected. Okay, I say hi all, I think I have forgotten my password and I need to confirm that. Okay, so someone is asking password to that guy. Okay, so he said okay, so my password is this, is all right. So this is the password, we got that. Copy, just go back. I don't want Burp Suite, my account, and Carlos, and put the password, login, and we solve the lab. Okay,